Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lamps, inside you'll find adaptive cruise control, keyless start, cruise control, console, air conditioning. Come take a test drive today.